Hi guys, it's Melody Lane. Before we start with the mystery box, I want to make sure you've entered my giveaway. I'm giving away a Cricut maker and 1 year of access and 1 year of access to my Design Space projects. It's mystery box time! And there is a link below for the mystery box. If you use that link, I do get a small commission. This is a good one. And you get a gift in this one. So for ordering the mystery box, this is not part of the whole value of the mystery box. This is something extra. A mat. You may not get a green mat. You may get a blue mat, but they're redoing the mats and they want your opinion. So for buying the mystery box, they're giving you a mat to test out. And you can go to that link and give them your opinion. They want your opinion on how you like this new mat. Use it, test it, and let them know because they only want to make you happy. You're getting fabric. This is apricot and persimmon. This is really pretty. Like, look at these colors. Look. So pretty. You get foil iron-on. It's the Spring Meadow sampler. You get 4 sheets of 12 by 12 of each of those 4 colors. Aren't they pretty? Look at those colors. You get 12 sheets of 12 by 12 of removable vinyl. And it stays where you put it until you remove it. This is matte vinyl. You get 12 sheets, the little sampler pack. And here's a Meadow sampler of premium removable vinyl. Look at the pretty colors. There they are. And more premium removable in pattern. This is in Bloom pink sampler. So you've got 2 sheets of each. This is one. This is another. Here is another. So you get 6 sheets. We're not done yet. You are getting my absolute favorite glitter cardstock. I love this. I use it all the time. Look at those bright colors you get. It is so pretty. Here's one outside the package. Look at how pretty it is. And it cuts like butter in the Cricut machine. And extra fine pens. These are great for intricate or really small writing. They're extra fine. They're 0.3 tip. So they're a really small, fine tip. So it'll write nice and small for you. Remember, always store your Cricut pens point side down. Okay, there's a link in the description for the mystery box, and you can use my code ML10 if you add more to your cart and make $50 in your cart, just as the subtotal before discounts, because if you have access, you get 10% off. And if you add a few more things to your cart, you're gonna get another 10% off. Have you seen that new brushed paper? It's amazing. I do get a small commission only when you use my link in the description. Thanks guys, and I'll see you a little later today in a live video.